Good morning. First of all, you have to click on file, then new. You have to create a new image. So either width and height will be previously set, but you set it as much short length you can give, like 150 I have given. Then this will come. You have to increase the size. Then go to the text and write any text. Like here I am writing computer. From here you can decrease or increase the size, font size. First you have to select the text, then you have to increase or decrease the size. Entire text should be selected, like CO is selected now, so only that one is decreasing. So you delete the entire thing and again you write and do that. See, again I am writing. This way you can reduce the size. Okay, after writing, now it is completely reduced. Foreground color you can change from here. Foreground color you can change. If you want to change text color, then the text color from here you can change. Selected text will be changed. Okay, now what you have to do, right side you can see one is for background and one is for text. Through the eye icon you can hide and make it visible, and you have to set here time by changing the name. Two layers are here. The first layer computer is written there, that I am changing. Okay, one, and time we have to give 2000 millisecond, and in background layer you also put the time 2000 millisecond. Okay, then close the bracket. After that you have to go to the file and export. You export it as a GIF. Select file type and you choose from here GIF image, and you save in your computer. Like I am saving in desktop, so select desktop first and give the name of the file like sam.gif. GIF image should be there. Then export. You just have to do as animation. If it is not selected, you have to select as animation, and delay between frame, that don't do. Then export. As will export, the file will be saved where you have saved. In desktop I have saved, and you have to open that. Now see, you can see the animation there. You can give different animation also, but with the text I have given, you can give with the image also. Thank you.